Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Amelie lists her dishwasher for sale on eBay. Ryan, who lives in another city, bids for the best price and uses his credit card to pay for the dishwasher. Is this transaction an example of e-commerce? A. No. E-commerce does not include the sale of used products. B. No. Credit cards are not an accepted mode of payment in e-commerce transactions. C. Yes. It is a business transaction on a consumer-to-consumer website. D. Yes. E-commerce always refers to a sale between consumers indifferent. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.